Here we go. And I'm back. Did you expect somebody else? Because you shouldn't have. This is Alexander Leviathan Country. I am the Phoenix. I am the Pack Breaker. I am your Pokemon World Champion. And today, since you came back for more, I will make sure to give you 4 more. Let's see what I have in store. I just came up with that. Fusion Strike. Vivid Voltage. Chilling. And we will go Ray hunting again until the day I expire. 2 celebration packs as per usual. But what am I waiting for? Nothing. Well, I'm waiting for something. I'm waiting for that. Here we go. Fusion Strike. Let's go. Code card for the loyal Leviathans. Here we go. Energy. Get it out of there. Here we go. Heliolisk. Dunsparce, the most useless Pokemon of all time. Cramorant. Maybe Trabish, Trapdoor, the garbage people, and Sandcastles. Rookidee, Darumaka, Galarian Style, Sizzlipede, Stuffle, it's a Sandcastle, whatever. Mandibuzz? Bzz. Here we go. I will unify with the multiverse's greatest herald of all time, Savin Brass. Nothing. Cold streak continues. Let's move on to Vivid Voltage. Let's go. Code card. Energy. Mateg. Kakuda. Moo Cheese. Pineco. Clefairy. Typole. Mercery. Meowth. Galarian Style. Graplock for the reverse and for the finale of Pack 2. Come on, Savin. Fortress. Nothing there. Okay. Chilling. Let us go. Go card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Get it out of there. Peon. Galarian. Chestplate. Caitlyn. Ladybug. Golett. Clobopus. Clobs. Cast form. Snowy form. Hatman. Grookey for the reverse and for the finale of Pack 3. What can I pull? Survivor. Ray hunting. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Energy. Crystal Cave. Avalog. Snowleaf Badge. Buffet. Love Disc. Dweeber. Zora. Applin for the reverse and for the finale of Pack 4. Pull something. Woo! Yes, let's go! Woo! Oh, the cold streak is over! A alternate art Glacier V Max. Oh, look at it. Look, that gets the tie seal of approval. Woo! Oh, tough sleeve. Tough sleeve. And I'm sealing this on a recommendation of my boy, my friend, my buddy, my pal, Corvxnite. Corvxnite. If it's not triple sleeve, it's not protected. This is my first alternate art pull of my new collection. Woo! Oh my gosh. Yes! The cold streak is dead. Long live the Phoenix! Here we go. We have 2 celebrations to end on. Come on. Let's go. Cosmo. Reshiram. Imposter Professor Oak. Yes, I needed that. And a Soul Galio. Yes. Yes. Okay. Ooh, the cold streak is dead. The cold streak is dead. Here we go. Number 2, baby. Number 2. Cold. Ooh. Well, ruin that. Mew. Okay. Zekrom. Reshiram. Woo! The cold streak is over! Oh! Let's go! The cold streak is dead! Long live the Phoenix! Tough sleeve! Oh! Leviathan race. On this opening, after 2 straight days of cold, freezing pulls, your world heavyweight champion has pulled not only a alternate art Glaceon V, but I have pulled once again the Celebration Charizard. Woo! And that's all I got for you today. These 2 beautiful cards. My name is Alexander Leviathan. I am the Phoenix. I am on fire. And you know what? I'll see you tomorrow. And Valor, send the folks home happy, would you?